only on this issue of animal birth control, like dog sterilization. And Dr. Murugan made a point that controlling rabies is only by controlling the dog population. So it is not only about rabies, it is also about animal birth control and sterilization. We have to have extensive sterilization, which unfortunately is not happening in Goa. My constituency must have been the most active when it comes to sterilization. We have done the most jobs. We have done the most biggest number of sterilization. But still I am not happy with the Goa model. It's nice to say Goa model and all this thing, but the Goa model has failed in Goa, according to me. Why? You see the insensitivity of the society with regard to community dogs. Strays, whom we call strays. आज जो रस्त्यार कुत्रो भोंवता, वो कुत्रो जो चापतालो तुमच्या मारिया खूप लोक. All the dog feeders who are there, they are having a lot of problems from the society. The society has lost its compassion. Even the whole society has lost its compassion. This is the reality, and we got to face reality. We can't be speaking from an ivory tower, saying everything all is well. All is not well. If all was well, we wouldn't have been doing this awareness. If all was well, dogs wouldn't be coming from the outside straight inside. Not only dogs, people keep coming here, and even politicians keep coming now. We have a surplus from the outside straight. So this is the position in Goa. So it's not a big deal about saying that everything is well. The Legislative Assembly of Goa has spent half a day discussing this issue, which I am going to summarize in 1 minute. Fact remains that we are doing something. It's a small state, it can be managed very well, it can be managed better. The Animal Husbandry Department came out with a policy that was already approved, which I pointed out the next day. The minister said it's coming out with a new policy, declared a policy that was already there. So this is the amount of carelessness when it comes to this issue of community dogs. So as much as it is important to see that rabies is eradicated, it is also important that we create a compassionate society which knows the importance of community dogs and the importance of sterilizing them and reducing the dog population, especially on the streets, so that the man-animal conflict is reduced.